Aloha, welcome to Cooking Typical Hawaiian Style with Kikoman right here.
Yeah.
And special guest. And today we are cooking Poisson Cru Deluxe. And what else we got? We're here with Sister Paula and a special guest. Hurido, what are we doing right now?
We're squeezing some lime. So for the lime juice. And this is what we're going to be adding on top of the fish before we add all the rest of the other ingredients.
As you can see, Monsieur, we squeeze the lime. And what's next?
Sashimi. Some kind of Tahitian. What kind?
It's a Tahitian sashimi sauce, and I learned it from my friend's mom. And what they put is garlic, onions, and you want to mince it up. I got the garlic and onions in here, and then you want to add like a honey mustard and a hoisin sauce. They usually put mustard and brown sugar, but I figured you get the sugary mustard, and you should be fine. And then you want some olive oil and lime juice, and you just mix it all together, and we'll be doing that in a second.
The olive oil and the lime juice and mix it all together. It's going to be perfect.
All right, well, we're putting the sauce in the blender because I made this dish last week, and oh my gosh, when you blend it up, all the flavors just meld together, you know? You can taste everything. It's just so perfect. Pat me down, helper. Thank you so much. Oh, yeah.
It is getting hot
Thank
in
you
here.
so much. It's hot.
Ella.
Summertime already.
Blow.
Thank you.
All right, so how we doing, gang? Over here.
Doing pretty good. We get the lime juice. Paula's working on this, our sauce. Something is beeping. I think our rice is ready.
The rice is ready.
Oh yeah. Okay, all right. Now, I know some of you guys is looking at this right here and wondering what the hell is going on. And that's what I was wondering when I seen it. Because usually, me, I shred my carrots, I shred my carrots and I only use carrot and fish. So that's why we're gonna call this one a deluxe because Paula made them. I was like, what
We've
the heck?
had tomato and onion, so the thing is deluxe. You know
Deluxe. And I thought the carrots is what got me. I said, what the hell are you doing with the carrot? I go, I shred the carrot. She says, you have teeth? I go, well, yes, I do have teeth, but usually I make them for kupunas and little kids. So, and they don't have teeth. So, kupunas, if you're out there and watching this, kids, make sure you guys chew this thing good or have somebody chew it for you before they give it to you.
Chihu! Tamure, tamure, entere mure, murera.
What do we have here, Hurido?
We're just chopping up this ia. And this gonna be for the Poisson Cru. And then we're gonna save the other one. Well, I just listening to Paula because, you know, if I don't.
She's the head chef. Listen to the master. What are we doing here? Putting the sashimi?
Yeah, we want
In
to
the
put
lime?
the fish into the lime juice so that the lime juice starts to cook it a little bit.
Oh, brah. Getting scoldings by the boss. How come? Supposed to have more lime juice over there. I don't want a lime juice squeeze.
So what happens when you don't squeeze them good?
You gotta put some
You gotta
lime
get
in the
all
mana
into
lima.
it. You gotta squeeze them. You gotta use your fingers. You gotta dig into the lime. Look at that. With your
See?
fingers. Don't be ashamed, okay? You want all that juice from the lime. Booyah.
Just like that. Voila. And there you have it.
All the juice.
The man over here is showing Akane how to do it. She is the boss in the kitchen.
Thanks. Hallelujah. I'm really working, people.
How is this though? Is this good?
She
Is
is
this
working
tender?
hard
Beautiful.
over here.
Is this
Look
looking
at this.
better though?
Sashimi.
Oh, he getting better by the minute.
See what happens when you listen. Don't you think so?
All right, Paula, so what do we have next?
Now we're pouring out the lime juice from the fish. Now that it's been cooked, you see it's kind of like lost its really dark reddish pink color.
I see it.
Yeah, so we
Change
just
color.
wanna. I like to make sure that it doesn't have a lot of red because then when you mix it in with the coconut milk, it turns the coconut milk color, and I like it to be white.
Awesome. So we cook the fish with the lime.
And so after that, we wanna salt the fish. So you have this beautiful Hawaiian salt, the alai, and we're just gonna mix it in. And you don't want to mix too much because you can't take it out afterwards, but you can always add more. So we're just gonna salt the fish like that before we add it to the vegetables. And here, if you look at the vegetables, we got cucumber. You want to cut it in half and remove all the seeds, and then you want to slice it like that. And then
Got it.
the onions, I use red onion because I just like the beautiful color of it. And we have some tomatoes that we diced up. But first, you want to cut the tomato in half and squeeze out all the seeds because you don't want all the seeds mixing up into the poisson cru.
I see, got it. So no seeds in the cucumber. No
Or the
seeds
tomato.
In the tomato.
No seeds in the lime.
No seeds in the lime, exactly. All right, Sister Paula, so what we got here? What we got?
So we're assembling the poisson cru with the cooked ahi that was cooked in the lime juice. You just want to fold in the fish to all the beautiful vegetables. Look how colorful that is.
Beautiful.
It's like a beautiful rainbow.
Awesome, it looks
Yeah.
delicious.
And once we get that all mixed in, we're gonna add this
right.
beautiful coconut milk that was hand squeezed. And oh my gosh, look at that. Fresh coconut milk.
Oh, brah. This looks ono.
And then for the last
Delicious.
part, you
For
just,
the last part of it,
oh yeah, some more green
this
onion.
is beautiful.
Yum!
Mahalo for being on the cooking show.
Thank you for letting me be on it,
Yes,
finally.
Finally, we made
So
it here.
stoked.
And look, this is our masterpiece.
Bon appetit.
Shall we eat? Bon appetit.
Tama amaitai.
Amamaitai.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.